In this video, we're going to look at hashtags and why they're so important when using Instagram. So firstly, let's look at what a hashtag is. So if someone's on Instagram and let's say they want to search for something to do with motivation. So we can see it will bring up certain popular accounts, but also we can see there's 167 million posts that are tagged with the tag motivation. So if you click on this, it will then bring up all these posts, and all these posts are related to motivation. So people search via the hashtags in Instagram. So what's really important is that you add hashtags to every post that you put in your Instagram account. So how and where do we do this? Well, let's take a look at this post, and we can see that there's a description or a motivational few sentences. There's a link to follow the account, which is important that you do that in every post that you do, because you need to give people instructions and they need to know that if they want more information and they like the content that you're putting on, they'll follow you. So they'll click this link and they'll follow your account. So that's one tip to help you grow more followers quickly. So back to hashtags. What you don't want is to have all these hashtags at the top of the post because it looks messy. So the standard thing to do is to add the hashtags in the first comment. So you'll put the post on Instagram, and then in the very first comment you'll add some full stops, and then you can add up to 30 hashtags in each post that you put in your account. So how do you know which hashtags to add? Well, you can do a standard search in Instagram and find related hashtags to the post that you're adding, or you can use various tools. So this one is all-hashtag.com, and all you would do is you would enter a certain word that your post is about. So let's say motivation, and in this case we'll search for the top post. So we'll click generate, and what happens now is it will generate 30 related hashtags to the search that we've entered. So if you're happy with these, all you would do, click copy, and those are now copied to your clipboard, and you would go into your post and you would just hit paste, and it will paste in all those 30 hashtags that are related to the post that you've added. And you can look at, if those aren't suitable, you can search for different ones, and you'll find 30 that are related to your post. So all you would do is copy them, put them in your post, and then that one post can potentially be found for 30 different things. So it's a great way to get more followers that you wouldn't normally get if you weren't using 30 hashtags in every post. Okay, so that explains how to use the hashtags and where to put them. So let's move on to the next video.